Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Join the community. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out the links below for recommendations on how to build passive income and also how to lose weight fast by doing the 3 steps that we're showing you here at Master Investors channel, which are number 1, 15 minutes per day workout. Number 2, clean diet. And number 3, take supplements that are natural to help you enhance number 1 and step number 2. Okay, so we're going to be doing the 15 minutes now. I'm going to be working out my legs. Make sure that you do 3 sets of each exercise and leave us a comment below. Share this information and don't forget to like us if you find this valuable. Okay, let's go. I'm going to be doing this exercise right here. Apologize by that right here. Like this. There we go. Right there. Okay. All right, that's that one right there. I'm gonna now hit this one right here.
Careful, but I'll try.
All right, we're 12 minutes in. I'm gonna do some abs. Remember what I told you, if you wanna have a flat stomach and get into a 6-pack or 8-pack, then you need to be doing this at least one time a day, right? Once a day. You can do one simple exercise of abs during the 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 3 sets of those, right? And those are very simple to do. You can do them in between your 15-minute workout challenge. Usually I do it at the end or at the beginning, but I make sure I get my abs every time. Every single day I'm doing abs. And that's why I have a flat stomach with an 8-pack. And I'm getting stronger and stronger. Once your core is worked out properly, everything else will follow. We're 14 minutes and 20 seconds. I'm gonna finish it strong. And there we go. Woo. All right, that's it for the 15 minutes workout challenge. Make sure you stretch at the beginning and at the end when you're done. And also do your cardio. If you do some jumping jacks or whatever you're doing in between your sets during the 15-minute workout challenge, you can add cardio exercises. So it's a jumping jacks. Let me show you. I'm gonna do one right now. And if you don't do cardio in between your 15 minutes, then just stretch and go for a walk or jog. If you have sauna, then get into it for 15 minutes. Do some swimming if you have a pool. But make sure you get your cardio in as well. Great. See how simple that was? Make sure you check out the links in the description below, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles at work in all economy. Check out our website at www.masterinvestor.education. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and I'm gonna see you on the next broadcast doing the 15 minutes workout challenge so that you get in the best shape of your life, okay? And maintain that. That's why we're doing it the way we are, to help you keep those gains. Let me do my last 2 sets of cardio and then I'm gonna sign off. Right, one more. And then I'm gonna go into a little 5-minute session stretching, right? And then I'm gonna hit the sauna for 15 minutes or so. I'm probably gonna be doing some laps at the pool. If you can join the gym, that would be great too, because it's going to empower you by being around other people that are chasing the best version of themselves. All right. I'll see you on our next video. Take care and stay strong. Bye for now.